if you got this silly light going on right here and you checked all your tire pressures and they're all good, well, there's one tire pressure that you should check that it'll probably be the solution, and it's the spare tire. So anyway, let's take off the cover. Just take off the cover and air it up to 32 psi. This is, you know, it's all trial and error right here. Front, rear. There's a spare 32. Yeah, there's a spare. So, and the light is off because it is over 30 psi. There it was. Alright. And then when you shove this big cover over, make sure it fits over every single latch. And then the final part is down here. It's this thing. So what you do is, and it'll fit. You can do this without opening the door up. Just want to get that. There's a latch back there, and you'll see it. You want to get it. There's a latch. It's right back there. And you might even have to scrape the bottom a little bit, but it's hooked now. See this right here? It's on there. So all I gotta do is, see that? You see that? You see that? This goes over, and then I'll pull it back. And it's latched. The SOB is latched. It ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. Now all the lights are off on the dash. Let me see. Come on. Take off all those lights. Get my seatbelt on. Oh, it's so beautiful. There's no lights. Alright, there's no engine light. There's no tire pressure light. There's no four-wheel drive light. There's no traction control light. There's no seatbelt light. I got my seatbelt on. It's in park. There's no engine light. Oh my goodness, there's no, what else? Oh yeah, the oil change reminder light. None of that junk. Look at that, 140,000 miles. 140,663 miles on this 2010 Toyota RAV4. No lights, no emergency lights, no lights that tell you that something's wrong with the vehicle. What a great and wonderful ride. This is Mad Human Pizza. This is my ride. See, you follow me, you watch my how-to videos, and even you might have a ride like this after watching all my videos and learning all the learnings that is from my teachings. Have a great and wonderful day.